In this review we look at another load model from Mountain Scale Manufacturing, or MSM for short. The plain box goes straight onto the weighbridge.
Let's weigh it up.
And once dropped on, it comes in at 1 pound 14 ounces, or 860 grams. The packaging is simple, but that keeps the cost down. And in time-honoured fashion, let's open the box and see what's inside. Out comes some more packaging which wraps the model. And that gives us some moments of entertainment as we work out how to open the packaging up. Once the tapes are undone, we can then proceed to unwrap it. And as we slowly do that, the model will come into view. This is a printed model and it's made of high quality plastic. And the next stop is the weighbridge.
Let's weigh it up again.
It's an easy lift for the giant hand cranes and it comes in at about 1 pound 5 ounces, or just over 600 gramlets. We start underneath with the stands and they have a nice flat surface, and geometrically they all line up very well. The stands themselves do have some complexity, and the structural shape has been replicated well. The model is an autoclave, which is a pressure vessel, and you can see that at one end there is some complexity in the modelling, and there are 2 small lifting eyes for the end plate, and it's nice that they've been properly formed with holes. All of the various pipe entries have been fitted with red blanking plates, and lifting points have also been modelled. The parts are printed, but the texture of the grain is very fine, and that gives it quite a smooth appearance. At the other end of the autoclave is some more component parts and some nicely detailed bolt heads. And there are more pipe entries with blanking plates. There are no moving parts, of course, but it does make an excellent load on suitable heavy haulage. And once correctly positioned, it does make an impressive display. The model is not heavy, so you can pair it with suitable crane models. You just need some lifting strops.
Time for a dim check.
The real autoclave weighed 160 tons. And let's do a dim check to check the size of the model, and it's about 16 inches or 40 centimetres long. And in terms of overall height, it's about 5.5 inches or 14 centimetres. This is another impressive looking industrial load by MSM. You could use it as a standalone piece, but it looks best on some heavy haulage. The overall finish of the printed parts is very good, and you can also use it with crane models as well. The link to order it is in the description below, and overall if you're looking for a large industrial heavy haulage load, it is very good.